Hello boys and girls, today we're going to start with the 4 fours again and going over the solutions for 12, 13, 14, and 15 that you should have found yesterday. And then your first task for today is using 4 fours to solve for 16, 17, 18, and 19. And today we're going to learn a new number and how it works in one of our solutions. So for 12, one that I came up with was 44 plus 4, and then put that in parentheses, which 44 plus 4 is 48, and then divided by 4, 48 divided by 4 equals 12. 13, here's the new one, is I used 4 with an exclamation mark behind it, and I'll explain what that is in a minute, minus 44 divided by 4. So what 4 exclamation mark is it's actually 24. Any number that has a exclamation mark behind it, you do all the numbers in front of it. So it's like 1 times 2, which is 6, is 2 times 3, which is 6, times 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. So this would be 24. Okay? And then if I had a 6 exclamation, I would do 1 times 2, which is 2, times 3, which is 6, times 4, which is 24, times 5, which would be 24 times 5, which is 120, and then times 6, which 120 times 6 would be 720. So 6 exclamation would be 720, but we're just worried about 4 exclamation because it's another 4 that we can use. Okay? And then for 14, I came up with 4 times, and then in parentheses, 4 minus 0.4 or 4/10 minus 4/10. So 4 minus 4/10 would be 3 and 6/10. Well, 4 times 3 and 6/10 is, let's see, 24. Carry my 2, that's 12, 13, 14. That would be 14, and then we have 1 decimal place, so I moved the decimal 1 place over. 14 and 4/10, and minus that 4/10 right there would leave me with 14. And for 15, I came up with 44 divided by 4 plus 4. So 44 divided by 4 is 11, plus 4 would give me 15. So there's a solution for 12, 13, 14, and 15. And your first task for today is using the 4 fours. And again, you can use the 4 exclamation, which makes 24. Okay? And you guys have been doing a great job and finding many different strategies and solutions for these numbers. And it's been wonderful to look at them and see all the different solutions and strategies. Your first task is using 4 fours, solve 16, 17, 18, and 19. And we'll go over those on Monday. Alright, the next task you're going to do is you're going to go into Khan Academy again. This time we're doing math, so courses, whatever grade you're going into, if you're going into 5th grade, and again, this is where you are in charge of your own learning. You get to pick whatever concepts and skills you want to work on. 10 minutes, 1 or 2 concepts, like adding a multi-digit number, that's 1 concept. If you want to subtract multi-digit, that would be 2 concepts, but try and get at least 1, if not 2 concepts done a day. When you're done with that, then you can go into Prodigy and click Play Prodigy and play Prodigy for 10 minutes. Your next concept or games for the day, the first one is called B cubed, and this game I really like too. lot of strategy, and it's really fun, and it gets challenging the higher you go up in play. Basically, you are this little yellow cube, and every time you slide on one of the things, it falls off, and you have to end on the red with only the red left. And then when you're done, see, and I fell off. I was going too fast. When you are done, you can either play for 10-15 minutes or try to beat the whole thing, and that would be really impressive. But take a screenshot and put what level you got up to and what strategies you use to help you get there. And then the last couple games are just some common games that I really like, and a lot of strategy that goes with these games. The first is just a simple game of checkers. If you have a friend or a family member or parent or somebody you can play with, you can actually play 2 players, or you can just play versus the computer and play a friendly game of checkers. Or another game I really like that has a lot of strategies in it is chess, if you know how to play chess. Or if you don't know how to play, it'd be a great time to research and figure out how to play chess. And then take a screenshot of checkers or chess, or both of them, and share a strategy that you used while playing one of those games and how it helped you play it. Okay? Alright, hope you had fun today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you back here